Uy, isang tulak mo pa, makikilala mo kung sino ako. Ako nga pala, si Gizaya Maria F. Abonal, at narito kami para ibahagi ang tatlong laws of motion.
At ako nga pala ang tumula kay Kisha. Ako, si Ayan Lucy Macalit, at ngayon ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang first law of motion of Newton. The first law of motion of Newton is called the law of inertia. It states that the object at rest will remain at rest and the object in motion will remain in motion unless it is acted upon by an external force. Kisha, look, may bola!
The second law of motion is the law of force. The force acting on an object is equal to its mass of an object times its acceleration. Uy, Makalit! Laro tayo!
Ano ba yan, Kisha? Ang hina.
Sige, ulit! Lakasan ko na lang.
When she kicked the ball with only a small force, it didn't reach me. But when she applied more force on the same ball with the same mass, it gained more acceleration, which made it reach me. This shows Newton's second law of motion. Force affects acceleration. This shows Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. When she pushed the ball down, the floor pushes it back up, which is why the ball bounces.
Wait! Ang cringe ata!
Hindi ko gagalawin ulo ko.